Welcome to the Big UNANO channel. Where's UNANO? Where are you? Nano? No, UNANO's not here, it's too cold. So this is the X5, what should we call this? Project Beast, Black Beast. This, so our new car, you would have watched our last episode. UNANO did a whoopsie. You're just really close to the lamppost. Keep going. Hang on, you're too close to...
Oh!
Ah!
Don't
worry, I'll fix it. I don't know what to say about that, to be honest. So yeah, if you haven't seen it, go check it out. You go check it out now. I've got big plans. Well, I had big plans. I still have for this car. We're going to big wheels, 22s, baby. We're going to start today. Let's start little. Let's start small. We need to fix the damage first. So I've bought 2 new doors for the left side where it's damaged. They should be delivered anytime now. And then I've got to remove doors. I've done a lot of work on car suspension, body work, but I've never taken a door off before. Actually, no, that's a lie, I have, but it was a long time ago. So I've looked online, it looks pretty straightforward. So I'm going to be doing that. These interior lights that you can see there and over there, yeah, I'm going to be replacing them. I bought a complete kit, LED lights, just going to make it a bit more modern. We've got, for the angel lights at the front, because they're quite yellow, got these funny looking light bulbs. These will go in and it makes it more of like an ice white. I'm trying to think what else I've got to do. I've bought new mirrors for the wing mirrors. They're going to be like a tinted blue color. But the plan for this beast is going to be, it's another project vehicle. I can't help but modify. Big Lou has to modify. The head unit, can you see? That's going. I'm going to get an Android computer TV head unit, all singing and dancing, so we can watch the Big UNANO channel. But yeah, you just have to watch. That's what Big Lou does. I like to modify the cars. I can't help myself. Even though this car is great as it is, but it's luxury. It's got everything that we need. I don't need to do anything to this. However, it's Big Lou, baby. I have to modify. It's the rules. The one car that I have, all my cars are modified. Every car I've ever had, I've done something. The Ferrari, the Devil, just trying to think. I said to myself, I'm not going to do anything to that car. The one thing that I did do is I upgraded the head unit to like a TV head unit. But other than that, I've not touched it because that's my girl. But watch, wait and see. You're going to like this. Today's going to be a bit, I don't know what you want to call it. It's a bit of a repair day first, but then we'll start to modify over the period of time. But I hope you enjoy it. We're going to turn this X5 into an absolute beast, baby. Enjoy. Okay, so you can see, well, you've already seen the damage is here. But if this, fortunately, this bit of trim that goes here, it's not like the lugs, the fittings and everything, there's nothing actually broken. So all I need to do is get that sprayed. The side skirt, there's a couple of damaged lugs here, but I'm going to take that off and hopefully it's not that bad. I'm hoping that I can salvage this, just get it painted. The doors, on the other hand, oh, the doors, no. So you can see here, look, there's a massive dent here. There's a scrape that runs all the way down the side. Trim's broken here, scratched all here. Now, where that has been hit there, it's gone in there and out the top. If you look here, that doesn't close properly. You look, can you see that? So what that means is UNANO's got air conditioning, baby. So new door, it's new doors. I've ordered them, they should be here shortly. And then it's going to be a question of, you see here, look, you remove, there's a bolt, where is it? There's a bolt here underneath. There's a bolt there and a bolt here, and then you remove the wiring, and then the door should just literally up and off. I've got to take the door cards off, but yeah, good luck with that. So it's going to be the same here in the back. You've got hinges here. Don't think that's picking it up. There's hinges. I'm going to take both doors off. So I've got quite a lot of work. I've got a lot of work ahead of me, but I love it. So I need to get this fixed through Nano. She's really upset about it, but I told her not to worry. It's only stuff that I can fix. This side's good. This is Big Lou's side. So Big Lou's side is nice and tidy. UNANO'S is all damaged, but it's rather cold out here. Headlights, angel lights. Should we do that now? Let's do the angel lights. So angel lights are here, I believe. Let me have a look in there. We've got to plug in all the adapters now. This is what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. I'm not about that. That was quite straightforward. Nice easy job. Start the day with. Let's crack on. Okay, so I'm back in the car because it's rather cold outside. Hence why Nano's not here. Nano, she breaks it, I fix it. Well, I'm going to do the lights now. So you can see it before and after. Before, after. Before, after. It's really cold. The hat had to come out. No hair, no care. Today I care, it's cold, bro. But doors. Okay, so they've been delivered. So we need to check, make sure the colour matches. Then I can start fitting them. Now I am going to salvage parts from this door. I'm going to take this off because it's damaged on the corner, and this panel. So I'm going to take that out now. Hopefully that's not too painful. And then it's going to be a question of door card off, door out. Let's get to it, baby. The thing I was worried about most is the colour match, but we got it. We got the same colour match, so we're good. Now it's just a question of trying to fit it. Ask a favor with a shout out to gas me. Really, they ain't take a risk, but want the outcome. Then asking how come. I was signing on the city lights. No door. That was quite easy, to be honest. I was just worried about there's a bolt here, look. This super rusted bolt. Shots, I never call it quits. So the door's on. She's secured. And look. Colour match. Perfect. Okay. Just this door to do now. Okay. Final door to go on. Getting there. Slowly but surely. Okay, so I'm still going. It's late. We're getting there, but it's slow, man. Let me show you. So replacement door is on. I've started removing all the chrome surround because it looks terrible. Let me show you. So all this is coming off, and I'm taking off. I'm going to wrap it in like a brushed aluminium, which will look cool. Side skirt off from the other side. It's going to get repainted, but it's looking good. So I've got the mirror off. I'm just going to take the lens out and replace it. I've got the tinted one. It's a question of getting in behind it, prizing it out. So I've just replaced the cover here, this plastic trim on the wing mirror, because that's the old one. And now I'm going to fit the new wing mirror.